What's everybody? We're up here on the roof now. Just got to our solar panel cleaning job. I'm gonna do our inspection. We already got our ladder set up, got our pole ready. I'm gonna kind of do a quick little walkthrough of what we do when we inspect the panels. This one's a very good example of why we do a pre-inspection prior to cleaning. So let me flip this around. So these are panels. I do these every 3 months. We do a complete walk around of the panels. We always inspect underneath. We check for any buildup of debris. Now this side doesn't look too bad, but you start seeing things like this. We got this big pine here. Start seeing buildup underneath. You see there? It just gets packed on. You can see inside, in between the rails, all the pine needles. See how it just built up there? This looks like a drainage line from the AC line, so we'll just reconnect that back. I've already suggested that it get moved, but hasn't been moved yet. But you can see all this buildup of pine needles. Unfortunately, this is what it looks like every time I come out. Now the client is aware. I have brought it to the client's attention that these pine needles need to get removed. We need to clear underneath this system, but they just want the surface cleaned, and that's what we're gonna do. Unfortunately, all we can do is make suggestions and give our professional recommendation. It's up to the client whether or not they wish to move forward with the service. Ideally, I would prefer to be able to, get all this stuff taken out from underneath, clear it, and then put a barrier around the side so it doesn't get underneath anymore. Or even more ideal would be to just remove that tree, but apparently the client got some quotes. They want like $10K to remove it, so it's not in the budget, so we work with what we got. So you see, it's not too bad. I'm here every 3 months. You got some bird poop there, just dirt, dust. We inspect this. Here's a good example here. You see all the dirt and dust just build up along the bottom rail. So we're gonna rinse everything, pre-rinse, start breaking that stuff up, and then hit it with our brush and scrubbing it all away and do a final rinse. One thing I wanted to point out, if you are a solar panel cleaner and you're just getting into this industry, you want to take a look around in your surroundings. Look for any power lines, anything that could pose a potential hazard or a risk. So you want to stay away from those, especially you got water-fed poles. It's very easy to get distracted and kind of lose track of your surroundings and hit one of those, and you're gonna light up. So be careful. Stay tuned. We're gonna hit this. We're gonna pre-rinse these. Take a look at our van right here in West Palmdale. We just start spraying it down with our DI water. Just kind of start breaking up all that soil, letting it soak in. And it's going to make it a whole lot easier to scrub it all away. Hit the bird poop. Now I remind you, this is deionized water. This is not just an ordinary water hose. We don't use just ordinary water because the reason for it is we want to eliminate any mineral deposits, anything that'll create further damage or prevent your panels from producing efficiently to their optimum efficiency. We're just gonna go on about all these panels. We're gonna rinse them, pre-rinse them, just kind of get the water to soak into some of that soil, some of that bird poop. It's gonna make it easier for us to scrub it all out. Stay tuned. I'll do a little quick video of the scrub and then the final rinse, and you'll see the final product. Alright, Ruben here, Hyper Pro Cleaning Services. Stay tuned.